Alright guys, this is my unboxing of the Red Thunder Jordan 4s. I went ahead and ordered these. I sold my Travis Scott fragments to StockX, someone on StockX, for $1,500. And went ahead and I really wanted these, so I paid the ridiculous price that I paid for these. But basically, since I only paid $150 for the fragment Travis Scott's, I pretty much, came up on these. They were basically free. So I'm going to go ahead and, without further ado, pop these open. Now, these came from the Netherlands. Now, I always get nervous when StockX uses DHL for their shipper because, you know what I mean, we got UAs running around all over the darn place, and it just makes me nervous. But these are guaranteed, so box. There is you can see the ridiculous price I paid for these, but I mean, in my opinion, these are probably gonna go high and stay high. So for a shoe I really wanted, and not having the guarantee of hitting, I figured since I had that money, I may as well go ahead and, oh my god, man, these are freaking gorgeous. Gorgeous. Go ahead and get the other one out. Box looks right. Obviously, it freaking better be the price I paid. Man, this is just a beautiful shoe. Everything looks good. Of course, I'm definitely gonna blacklight these, you know what I mean? Because if there's flaws, and these are not legit, they're going back. But I don't know. Definitely checking out as legit. You can see too, there's no anything wrong with them. Everything shines like it's supposed to. No handmade marks on them. Man, this is just a great shoe. I'm super stoked to have them. If you guys can get them, I mean, from what I paid, the price went down a little bit. I checked, not by much, but it did go down a little bit. This is definitely a hot shoe, dude. Like, when these release, they're gonna sell out for sure. I mean, I call these the Red Thors. So yeah, man, I'm absolutely 100% satisfied. I don't understand why they have them in the Netherlands already, but you know what I mean, they do. And this is definitely a banger, man. That's all I got. You guys have a great day.